Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. I feel the need to put something out there regarding people and shipping and waiting times and when packages arrive on time and when packages don't arrive on time and how people respond, just so you're aware of it from the other side, because a lot of you are placing orders and then just waiting for your package to come. We're on the other end of it. We're getting those orders filled up as quickly as possible, getting them out the door. 99% of the time, we ship your order the same day you place it, sometimes within hours, sometimes within minutes, really quick. We do it as fast as we can. I am an impatient SOB myself. I don't like to wait for anything. I want things done now, and if there's something I want it now. I don't like to wait for anything, but in life, it's just part of playing the game. You have to wait for things when you order something. You have to wait for it to arrive. So some people have a little bit of an issue with that, but it's a fact of life. You just have to live with it. So for example, someone placed an order on, the 13th, which was a Sunday. You don't even need to know the month. This is just hypothetical, but really happened. So the date is hypothetical. We'll go from there. Order placed on Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, calls in on Wednesday, says, "Where's my order? The tracking is not correct." I'm tracking it. This is USPS. And so here's how it works. I'll post this up on the screen so you can have a look. You place the order on the 13th, which is a Sunday. There's no shipping on that day. We ship 6 days a week worldwide, but we don't ship on Sunday, and I don't think anybody does. Shipping companies aren't open, so you're not going to be doing any shipping on Sunday. On Monday, the 14th, we ship the package out, USPS, priority mail. Okay, so Tuesday, Wednesday, when you go and you check your order, what you're going to see is, it says, shipping label created, USPS awaiting item. Guess what? It might say that for 2 or 3 days until it gets to you. They don't update that all the time correctly. I'm not banging on the post office. I think they do a fantastic job with the zillions of packages that they ship every day. Their percentage of packages that don't arrive or have issues is very small as far as we're concerned. Normally it gets there within 2 or 3 days, whatever they say it is, it gets there. So I give them a lot of credit for that. There's no movement from the 14th to the 17th, but on March 17th arrived at New York Distribution Center. That was at 4:04 a.m. 7:32 a.m. arrived at the post office. At 7:43 a.m., 11 minutes later, if my math is correct, out for delivery in New York. So there was no movement for 2 days if you go and check on the tracking on the website on USPS.com. It will still say shipment received, package acceptance pending. We ship the package on Monday, okay? We don't sit on your packages. We have no reason to sit on your packages. I don't want anybody sitting on your packages. I want your package out the door as quickly as possible. I want you to get it as quickly as possible so you can be happy with your items and get your shave on and enjoy yourself. That's what it's all about. So I felt that need to be put out there, just a little bit of a description. So the windup is, whoever this person was, they checked it and it said package acceptance pending, shipment received, it said that. And they thought, okay, we're just sitting on their package. We're not. Why does it say that? The post office isn't updating accurately or in a timely fashion. So that has nothing to do with us. We get your order out immediately. Within usually the same day that you place it, we get it shipped out. This was a Sunday, it shipped on Monday. When you see it saying shipment received, package acceptance pending, they have your package. It's in the mail stream. It's on the way to you. It may not say that it is 3 blocks from your house, but it will get there within 1, 2, 3 days normally, 4 days. Sometimes the priority mail label will say 2 days. Guess what? They have an issue. It got there in 3 days. You don't need to call and be mean and raise your voice and yell at people on the phone. It's not necessary. Please just use a little patience and your package will arrive. Like I said, it's in the USPS mail stream. It's on the way to you. If you really want it quickly, use UPS. Go for next day delivery by 10:30 a.m., whatever you need, we'll get it to you, no problem. We'll get it to UPS, will pick it up, you'll have it the next day. But if you're going through the post office, which most of the packages do go through the post office, it's going to normally take a few days to get there. So I can understand if you're waiting for a precious medicine that is going to be used in a heart surgery or something like that. I don't think you'd be using USPS. I think you might be using something else. But people, all in all, in the scheme of things, this is shaving equipment. It's a razor, it's blades, it's cream, it's a brush, whatever it is. It's something that is not life-threatening. You just need to have a little patience. Give yourself a day or two extra. You know, don't freak out if it doesn't get there or if it says it's not coming. It's coming, don't worry. When you check it and it shows it's been accepted, it's in the mail stream, it's on the way. They were telling me, call this person and yell at them and raise your voice, and I'm like, no, that's negative energy. That's me wasting my time. I checked it the very next day and it said package is out for delivery. Boom, I'm happy with that. He's getting his package in 3 or 4 days. He ordered on a Sunday, he got it on a Thursday. It took 3 or 4 days from Chicago to New York. By the way, we're in the Midwest, so whether it's East Coast, West Coast, it usually gets there pretty quickly because we're not on the far side, we're right in the middle. So normally you get your packages quickly. And we are very diligent with getting everything packaged really neatly. All seams are sealed on the box, everything is cushioned. And if you don't believe me, go to the website. We have thousands of reviews on all the products on the website. You can check those out as well. So I just thought I should put that out there. Don't want to bust on anybody, and especially don't want to bust on the post office. I think they do a fantastic job with the amount of packages they handle every day. It's amazing. So that's about it. I appreciate your business. I appreciate you listening to me vent over this. But people, just be nice. That's all. You know, the golden rule, do unto others as you'd have them do unto you. That's what it's all about. So thank you very much for watching this. And if you need any shaving supplies, just visit shavenation.com. We're happy to help you, and we will get it shipped out quick. But as soon as they pick it up, it's up to them. It's not us. It's not up to us to tell them to go faster. We can't do that. Have you ever called any government entity and told them to go faster? Do you think that will work for you? Well, you know where I'm coming from. All right. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.